easy to do for cardigans. So for this stitch we need multiple of 3 plus 2 for edges. So here I cast on the stitches. Only one row. So we slip stitch, insert first and second stitch between 2 stitches. We insert the needle, pull up the loop, knit these 2 stitches together. After we purl 1. Between 1 and second stitch, first and second stitch, we insert the needle, pull up the loop, and these 2 we knit together to the back loops. Slip. This one we just purl. So again the same, we insert the needle between 2 stitches, pull up the loop, knit 2 stitches together and purl stitch. Slip stitch, insert between 2 stitches, pull up the loop, knit 2 stitches together, purl 1. Knit 2 stitches together, purl 1. Stitch. This is so beautiful and so hurts. This is lacy stitch.